If you need to quickly take a screenshot in modern Windows, there are two of the most convenient ways to do it. The first is the Windows Shift S keyboard shortcut. Press these three keys at the same time. The screen will dim slightly and a small toolbar will appear at the top. Here you can choose one of four modes: rectangular area capture, freeform area capture, single window capture, or full screen capture. Choose the desired option and select the area using the mouse. After that, the screenshot will automatically be copied, or more technically, placed into the clipboard. You can then immediately paste it into any document, message or image editor using Ctrl+V or the paste option. For example, click right mouse button and paste. In addition, a notification will appear in the bottom right corner. If you click it, the Snipping tool app will open, where you can quickly crop the image, add annotations and save the file to any convenient location on your PC. You can also use this menu to copy the color code, select text, recognize it and copy it. You can also quickly edit the captured area, for example, highlight something with a marker or add some notes. This is the most modern and convenient way to take screenshots in Windows 10 and 11. Did this help? Leave a comment and like below the video. But there is also a second option, the print screen key, which has been around since ancient times. It was originally created to print whatever was displayed on the screen, and later it became a key that always copied a screenshot to the clipboard. You could open Paint or another image editor, paste the screenshot and then save it. On modern computers you can simply press it once. If this feature is enabled, the same screen capture tool will open as when you press Windows Shift S. If nothing happens, this feature is most likely disabled. To enable it, open Settings, go to Accessibility, then Keyboard, and turn on the option Use the print screen button to open screen capture. After that, the print screen key will work the same way as the Windows Shift S shortcut. These are the two most convenient ways to take screenshots in Windows today. Want more useful tips for your computer? Subscribe to the pcnp channel.